Traffic is like so fucked up.
Who's beeping?
The car behind me, they want this car to fucking pull out and they can't pull out. Oh, and it was a fucking cop! And it's on my dash cam!
Oh, look at this. Okay, Garmin, big video.
Go. Are you kidding me?
Just stop. What do you do?
Yep.
Oh my. Wow.
Good. Drunk ass frickin' people.
Wow.
Yes. Yes.
Oh! Yo! DashCAM! DashCAm! Oh shit!
Oh shit.
Oh shit!
Just walk places?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. That's illegal. Oh shit!
This dude stopped to move the sign, and I'm telling him it's closed, and he don't care. Oh, they caught your ass. They caught your ass. Big dumbass, look at him. You got caught within a second, my boy. Merced Street News, where you at?
Theft issues during tax season and every other time of year. With LifeLock, identity theft can be less of a pain in the neck. Get LifeLock for peace of mind year-round. Membership starts at $9.99 a month plus applicable taxes. And now you can get 10% off.
Holy cow. Yes, oh yes. Go get him!